Hello Craigslist team volunteers. In this short video I'm going to cover some of the basics on how to set up your Craigslist account and post an ad. First thing you want to do is go to Craigslist.org. You can just type in Craigslist in the Google search as you see. Once you get to Craigslist website, you just go down to the bottom here. You'll see where it says sign up for an account. Put in your email address in a line where it's asking for it. Once you get your email address in, you can use the verification CAPTCHA code. If you can't read it, you can just click on the refresh button to get a different code. But in this case, this one is easy enough for me to read, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the existing code. So I'm typing the code in, and when I do that, I go to create an account. It says thanks for signing up for Craigslist, blah blah blah. Okay, so we got the Craigslist account set up, and now we will go back to our Gmail. At least that's one I use, and then there will be a verification email verifying that you did set up the Craigslist account. So once you get back to your email, you can go in, look for that email that came from Craigslist, the welcome email, and you'll have a link in the email in the blue highlighted. So you just click on that link, it'll take you back to your Craigslist web page. Choose your password, just make sure you write it down or remember it somewhere. So pick a password, put that in, and it'll ask you to repeat the password. And then once you get your password typed in, just submit your password and then go to your login page. So you've set up your password, you have everything set up, so return to your account. Then you get this big long terms of use on the page. I'm just going to scroll through it really quick. If you can read that fast, congratulations. But it's a lot of just legal stuff as far as their rules and regulations. So you can scroll through it, you can read it if you'd like to. It's kind of dead reading, but just once you're done, just click on I accept to accept their terms of use, and then you go back to your account. And once you get to your account, you want to go to a new posting, and at this point you should have already had your assignments from Bo as far as your posting listing, and that would be sent to you in an Excel or Google document spreadsheet. So I'm going to my Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to highlight the code for my next assignment. So right click and copy it. I'm going to take that code and go back to the Craigslist account, go to new posting. Make note of the city and state you're supposed to post in the category. So in my case, I was assigned to post in Modesto, California, so I scroll down to find Modesto, and there it is right there. So I click on Modesto, click on go, and then it'll take me to this page. And the category was job offered, and then since it's job offer, you have to accept their guidelines for posting a job. And then the subcategory was internet. It just said internet. So if you look down, you see the only subcategory says internet engineering jobs. So click on that. Then when you get to the open box for your posting description, just paste in the code that you picked up off of that Excel spreadsheet. Now at this point, just be creative, come up with a title, something catchy. Don't everybody use the same title. Just be creative, or just go into that category and look for some titles that catch your eye. So I'm going to use still not happy. Specific location, like I said, is Modesto, California. So I type that in. And compensation, always just type in there performance based. We don't want to guarantee, we don't want to put any figures in there at all. Our compensation is based on performance. So once you type that in, another little trick that I've found you can use to dress up your title for your ad. You go to this website fbsymbols.com, which is Facebook symbols. It's www.fbsymbols.com. You can see it right there in the header for the website. So you can just go down and you can see they have all different kind of little graphics, little catchy graphics you can use to dress up your title. So I'm going to use this Clover or Trump. If you play cards, it's a Trump. So I'm just going to right click and copy that little graphic. I'm going to go back to my Craigslist posting, and then in front of the title I'm going to click a couple spaces and then go back, so leave a little space in between. And I'm going to add that little graphic in there 3 times in front of the title, and then I'm also going to add it 3 times at the back of the title. As you can see, that's done there. So we've got that done. Click on continue, and this is where you have to confirm and verify your account. So here's the ad. It pops up. Make sure the ad looks right, which it does. It looks great. Thank you both for all your work. So click on continue, and it says you have a further action, which is an email will be sent to your email account on file. So go back to your email account and find that email from Craigslist. As you can see here, it is right here, right there, Craigslist automated message. So go back in once again, go down to the link in there, click that link, and that link will take you back to Craigslist. Once you get back to Craigslist, you'll have, in my case, a phone verification. So it's going to ask you for a phone number that they can contact you and send you a code. So just type in the number that you're going to use, and you can only use one number per account, so just make sure you use a good phone number. So just type in your phone number. I always have mine sent text message, so click on via text, send the code. It normally takes less than a minute to get the code. It says it can take up to 5 minutes. So I just typed that in, I'm waiting for the code, and here it comes on my cell phone. So just grab the code off the text message and type it in that little box right there, and there's that code. Submit the verification code. Once it's submitted, you can go back and you see the listing is active. So that's pretty much how it works. It's pretty simple stuff. If you just religiously do this on a daily basis, everything's going to work out great, and we'll talk about renewals and stuff on the team calls. But that's just basically the beginning of how to work with the Craigslist team. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.